I'm Kevin Ostie here at the 2018 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, here at the SEMA Central stage, where we get a chance to chat with some of the people that are in attendance here at SEMA. And I'm joined by Mr. Vic Wood. Vic, welcome.
Hey, thanks, Kevin. Good to see you.
Vic, you've had a very busy recent time period, a big announcement. You're with Weld Racing and stuff going on with that company.
We have. We changed our name. We have 8 different wheel brands now at what was Weld, now under company name of MW Performance Engineering, Engineered Performance actually. M for Momo, which is a very famous international name with wheels, W for Weld, and then we have 8 other wheel brands under the one roof. So yeah, there's a lot going on.
Yes.
Been very busy.
What is interesting is all those brands kind of touch a variety of different applications, but most of them are centered around high performance.
All, at some level, they're all performance brands. Weld is, of course, best known in drag racing and in dirt racing, where they hold a significant market share. CCW is a performance wheel. Forge Star is a wheel that is making its mark in with the younger audience, doing a great job. Flow form wheel, which they perfected. They were the people that started it. And then ADV1 is our high-end, Porsche, Lamborghini applications, all the vehicles in that demographic. So yeah, we got something for everybody.
Plus Momo.
And Momo, yeah. Momo is, we have steering wheels, we have shift knobs, we have, and of course road wheels, seats, a full range of product in Momo, which is, has its history in Italy and in Formula One racing, and a lot of really nice product there.
So being involved in all those different aspects and being in the wheel business for quite a long time, what are your thoughts on the current state of the wheel industry? It's a huge part of what happens here.
Wheels are becoming ever increasingly important. It seems like everybody wants to have their wheel, their preferred wheel on their vehicle, and all you have to do is go over and have a look in downstairs in the South Hall. It's just full of wheels, and it just gets bigger and bigger. This past year I've been in United Arab Emirates, I've been down in Australia. There's a lot happening in the wheel industry, a heck of a lot. So
in addition to being, in the business, you're also in the Wheel and Tire Council with SEMA.
Yes, that's a relatively new addition for me. Over the years I've been heavily involved with the Motorsports Parts Manufacturers Council, and I chaired that for a period of time. Now on the Wheel and Tire Council, which I'm starting to learn all about and learn the projects, but they have a lot going on. They make a genuine contribution to the cause.
So what are some of the benefits for being involved in one of the councils like that from a manufacturer standpoint?
I think from a manufacturing standpoint is you find yourself on the cutting edge. You find out what's happening way ahead of most others. It keeps you up to speed with what's coming, which is always handy from a design and market research point of view. So yeah, I would recommend it to anyone. I mean, our association, SEMA, is only as strong as the people who get involved in it and make a contribution. And SEMA is a wonderful, and it gives back way more than you can ever put in. And a great association.
I think it's important to note that we talk to a lot of people in the different councils. That's all volunteer time.
It's all volunteer time, and those of us who are involved, we're lucky enough to be involved with the support of our employers, who I think a lot of people forget that that is time that you probably should be working, but your employer supports your involvement.
Sure, and but they see the benefit.
Yeah, that's important, but I'd recommend it to anyone. Get involved in a council, get involved in a committee, get involved in a task force. There's lots of work to do.
Very good, Vic. Well, I appreciate the time today, and congratulations on the success of the company. And Mr. Wood providing some great insight. If you're going to do it, get involved. There's lots to do with SEMA. I'm Kevin Ostie here at SEMA Central, the 2018.